Hey, welcome back to LiterADV. My name is Yev.
And I'm Mike.
Stick around with us as we show you how we install a LeoVince ONE EVO slip-on muffler on this Yamaha Super Tenere. So the first step to this installation is the removal of the factory muffler. Now there may seem like a lot of components blocking the muffler, but it's really just a passenger foot peg and the heat guard. Now in our case, and it may be your case as well, the bike had pannier racks that affix to the passenger foot peg assembly. We needed a 12mm socket wrench to remove the nut that was on the inside. Next, you'll need to remove this foot peg assembly with a 6mm Allen key. You'll notice that the assembly will be held on by a rubber grommet. You'll just need to carefully pull it down and out. You should now see the factory Yamaha muffler, which has the structural rigidity of a bridge. Using a 14mm wrench, you'll remove the hanger bolt. Just loosen it for now. Also, there's a nut on the back of it. Next, you'll want to loosen the exhaust clamp bolt with a 12mm socket. With the clamp loosened up, the muffler should now slide out after you remove the hanger bolt. So Yamaha has a graphite gasket that you will most likely see left behind on the exhaust pipe. In order to slip the LeoVince muffler on, you'll actually need to remove this gasket. We just used a flathead screwdriver to pry it out. The ONE EVO muffler comes with a clamp that you will need to slide onto the muffler pipe. Now just make sure to have the bolt head face outward so that you can later tighten it. The carbon fiber hanger for the ONE EVO uses the Yamaha factory hardware, where it attaches to the subframe. Carefully slide the hanger onto the muffler. LeoVince provides the hardware that you'll use here. First, you'll insert a decorative washer onto the bolt, and then insert it through both ears of the carbon fiber hanger. On the other end, you'll insert the aluminum spacer. And next, you'll place the figure 8 carbon fiber connector. The two holes are different sizes on this connector. You'll want to use the larger hole here, followed by the provided nut. Now at this point, you can begin replacing the passenger foot peg assembly and then followed by the heat shield.
Is my voice okay, or should I not be talking?
I don't know. It's what, from like World War II?
It's a memory of my grandpa that had no power tools.
So for just clarification, all the tools we've used here are stuff that Michael takes on the trail.
Yeah.
And it's pretty common that we do have to change the muffler somewhere on the trail. This is probably the number one thing that goes wrong is you have to switch out your muffler.
Are you being funny?
Now it is worth pointing out that this kit comes with a secondary dB killer. It allows you to direct your muffler downward in case you happen to have something directly behind the muffler that could either melt or get ruined by the heat. In our case, this wasn't necessary. And another reason for this is if you live in a country where the license plates are larger and would potentially get warped by that heat. Hey, thanks for watching and let us know in the comments whether you think the ONE EVO is worth it or if you'd rather just stick with the factory muffler. Also, be on the lookout for the sound review video, and if you like this kind of stuff, feel free to subscribe.